That's very important. I'm going to repeat again just one last 1 minute, so I can give you the recording thing. So the idea is learning management. Students has to learn with parents on their phone app. So you have all the universal classes here: class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, and pre-nursery, nursery. And in case if you have any question, please ask, unmute yourself and ask the question. So I'm taking example of KG. Here is the subject English. So for English subject, how many chapters you have? We have these many chapters, and these chapters will be created by you. We do not provide any platform. You have to develop the content. So we have these many chapters: chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, however you want to do. So if you want to create a chapter, how you will do? Add here. Like I'm recording everything, so you don't have to worry at all. So just do add a chapter. How? From here. Add a chapter here. Okay. Add. The new chapter name is chapter 10. Save. So now we have the chapters. Okay, done. So see, this is the newly created chapter, this one. So in this chapter, we are going to create pages. So the same way you have a book, and in book, you add pages. Okay, there is no difference, nothing. So instead of pages, we say here learning material. But you can think as page, learning material, whatever you want. So we have chapter 10. We have chapter 10, and in chapter 10 we have this. Which one was that? How this is coming? Okay. So in chapter 10 we have this monsoon cycle. But in case if we do not have anything, simply what you have to do. Let me do again this chapter 11. Save. Cancel. Chapter 11. We do not have anything. So let's create one material. Add material. And you are going to teach colors to the students. COLOR, colors. And the topic will be colors. In case if you do not have the topic here listed, so what you need to do, add a new topic. Okay, very simple. So add a new topic. The new topic will be colors 1. Okay, I'm just creating a new topic for you. The title of learning material is colors 1. So colors, we have 10 colors, 10 basic colors. Okay, whatever you want to write down. If you want to write down in Hindi, English, whatever language you want. Orange, red, green. So this is your content. So just write down all the things. Now you need to add some YouTube video. Okay, then do YouTube. There are so many YouTube videos that you can simply share without any legal issues, because those videos which allows you to embed, so that means they are allowing you to embed the video in your learning materials. Learn code with ice cream. Okay, simply click on this one. What you have to do, share, go to share, then go to embed, click this one, copy the whole thing, and see, can you see this source, SRC source? So just copy the source, nothing else. Copy the source, Control C, delete this, I just copied temporarily, and go YouTube, understanding colors. Okay, understanding colors. Okay, done. So this is the learning material that's already created and done. See this one, colors, go to again edit, and you have all the materials here, then do show resources, this one here. Very simple, just build the content, whatever you want to make. Then what's the next step? Once the content is ready, I guess the simple idea is to share with the students. Do not worry about associate grades now. Okay, share with the students. Which classes? Class KG. Which subject? English. KG1, KGB. Assign folder. When you do assign folder, the whole folder chapter 11 has been assigned. Even it has like 2 materials, 3 materials. Okay, and now you have curiosity that okay, how it will look like, how it will feel, how it will be displayed to the students. Simply do this study table. This one, a study table. So simply click here, a study table. Okay, study table. What was the class? KG. What was the subject? English. What was the chapter? I guess it's a chapter 11. Chapter 11. What was the learning material? Colors. What was the topic? Color 1. Okay, chapter 1, colors. So now the simple idea is, whatever you have created in a master's view, this will be displayed in the study table, and this study table is accessible to the students. So colors, understanding color, your video is coming, and this is simply shared with the students. So let me see how it will look like to the students of KG. So let's go to the student. Class KG, I guess. Okay. So this is the student, class KG. This is the parent login. Very simple. Now what I will do, I will log in as a student. I will log in as a parent. And that's what your parents are going to do. Okay. I'm going to log in as a parents. And also same thing I will do as a here. I'm going to log in as a, I'm going to share the screen of my phone app. So I think that will be more easy. 379-034-4750. Any question as of now? See this one, I'm going to open the app. Okay, I already opened the app, and I'm going to log in as a this student. I mean, just say, like I'm going to log in as any student, because same student, I don't remember the user ID password. So here, okay, this one. Okay, tools. Your parent and student will simply go to the tools, and they will simply do my classroom. Click on my study table, and when they click on study table, so it will ask them to select the sibling. In case if they have multiple kids, select the subject Hindi and chapter 9 A to Z, whatever we have created. Okay, so it's all coming here, A to Z. Okay, that's how students will learn. So you can simply share a audio, video, photo, anything, whatever you want to share. Okay, so that's the whole idea. parents are logged in, and the students, they can because it's a small kids, so students, they have to learn with parents, and parents, they have all the course material here. They have all the learning materials, all the chapters. Simply do here. There will be a new feature when you will be restricting users not to see all the learning materials. Here is the Google document. So you have all the Google documents. So you can simply document, you can simply do all the things here. You can include anything, whatever you want to do. Okay, PowerPoint presentation you have to do in Google Slide. YouTube, you have to do YouTube. And I will share other things like how to make YouTube unlisted or more private. Okay, any question?
Sir?
Yeah.
So you told we can assign to the class. Suppose if there are 12 students, if I want to assign only like 4 or 5 kids, can we opt like that? Any option is there like that?
Sorry, please ask me one more time.
Instead of assigning to the whole class, if I have to assign work only like 4 or 5 kids, so can I select the kids and assign homework, something like that?
Not now, not now. I mean, we have to assign to the whole class.
Okay, like specific we can't assign.
Yeah, specifically there is not much like objective as of now for me. I mean, if you want to talk personally or privately with any student, then you can use the chat.
Okay.
Because whatever content you are making, I guess you are making for whole class. But yeah, sometime like you have a more sense that like makes sense that you want to share something that will with weak students or something.
Yeah.
But anyhow, the content that you have is accessible to the all classes. And if you are making any content, then you can if you can share with the students, and you can simply share it. You can simply do a chat message with that student that I have created something for you, especially for you. And this is the chapter, this is the chapter, this is the learning material.
Okay.
What is the financial terms of?
Sorry?
What is the financial terms?
For this software?
This software.
Okay. This software, like there are two things. Let me see. One is like one is only 5,000 rupees annually if you use Google Drive with everything. If you use Google Drive with everything, then it's only 5,000. But in
okay,
you want to upload everything in our own server, then I think it's 3 rupees per student per 3 rupees per student per month something.
okay.
But you already bought ERP from us, right?
But this software covers all ERP and everything.
See, there are two things. Let me see. Like we like we have given this software free of cost to many schools, but now it's very tough because the usage of software is increased up to like more than 100%. And our server is not able to handle all those requests because the cost itself was very low. And so I think you bought the complete ERP. And this one is online teaching and learning, where you upload the audio, video, take the exams, do the content management, everything.
1 minute, Prashant sir. May I know who has joined this Yogesh Kumar?
Yogesh Kumar.
Who is that?
Future Kids Play School, sir.
Pardon?
Future Kids Play School, sir.
Okay. Yogesh, I think like maybe someone has joined because the meeting ID was same. So Yogesh जी हम आपको बाद में कॉल कर ले अलग से. नहीं तो if Jasmeet ji, if it's okay, then like I mean, because I think the meeting ID was same because meeting was already scheduled for the sales purpose, so I didn't change the meeting ID by mistake. So
okay, not a problem, sir.
Okay. Yogesh, you have to. Can you please introduce? So, I mean,
Yogesh. Myself, Yogesh Kumar from Future Kids Play School.
Okay. So Yogesh, like this meeting, like I supposed to do meeting for sales, a different meeting, but we got conflict meeting today, and I didn't want to change. So Jasmeet ji is our existing client, and we are explaining all the idea of online teaching and learning. And so this will be a little bit private class for them. So I will contact you after this meeting, and I will explain you everything after this meeting.
Okay.
But you can stay here and you can see like how things are going with the online teaching and learning. And in case whenever we will talk something private, then I will exclude you, and then I will call you after that. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience.
Because Yogesh ji, here we have a teacher's doubt. So Prashant sir is going to clear that one.
Okay, so Jasmeet ji, is it okay if Yogesh ji stays here for some time, or
better? I think you can do it in another meeting.
Okay,
This is our
okay.
personal meeting, teachers
Okay.
one.
Yogesh ji, हम लोग आपको बाद में.
I am leaving the meeting.
Okay. Sorry for this. You know, like.
Okay, thank you, Yogesh sir.
Okay, so coming back to this one. So the ERP cost is, you know, like is same, and it's all, you know, like, see, we are trying to provide a solution to the school so they don't have to spend too much. So if you can use the Google Drive, still you have all the option, all the things. So the idea is that you do compile all the things, YouTube, Google Drive, and some audios here. And the cost will not be, because we are just taking a cost, so at least we can cover the server price, because server price is already increased up to like more than, you know, like 3 times, 4 times, because just because of these things. So yeah, can we go ahead with this thing? Your questions?
I think, sir, here we don't have any question.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll come to like whatever I have sent to you.
Okay. Okay, so, you know, like also you can, because all articles are in English, so you should explore all the articles. I will share all the articles with you now. And please ask all the teachers to learn the concept of online teaching, how to handle the Zoom, how to engage with all the students. So.
But I don't think so. Nowadays, people are using Zoom for online classes. They all have shifted to some other apps.
There are two things. Number one is initially there was concerns with the security.
Yeah.
And other things. So very honestly, there is no security problem issues anymore. It's just the idea of China and other things. And then now the second idea is of nationalism that boycott China thing. So it all depends on you. That's all personal thing. You can use Google Meet, you can use Lark, you can use Zoom, whatever you want to use. So the idea around Zoom, Lark, Google Meet is same. But very honestly, Zoom, no software can compare with Zoom. Zoom is still the best. And I think a company is based in USA. Their data may be in China, but there are tons of data which is in China. There are tons of data. I mean, we don't know. I mean, there are so many data that we have in China. So it all depends on them. It all depends on you guys, whatever you want to use. Google Meet is free up to September. Lark is free, but Lark is not as good software as like Zoom. And Zoom is free forever for 40 minutes. So you solve your decision. Yeah. But as of now, like as concerned with the security thing, there is no security rules, nothing. I mean, the simple idea is Zoom is used by like millions and millions of people, like millions of people. So definitely they have some security things. Lark is used by 100,000 people. So definitely we don't know all the security hack things. Google Meet is only web-based. So they have lots of limitations. So can we start with the other question? So ma'am, did I answer your question? Are you satisfied with the answer? I mean, did I answer your question? Hello?
Hello, Priyanka ma'am?
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Okay. You can continue. Yeah.
Okay. So how to upload PPT video? That's the simply go to the Google Drive. What we will suggest that go to Google Drive here. Like create all of teachers needs to create a Google Drive, or or you can do one thing, just create one Google Drive for each class or something, and like something like this. School academics something, and create all the grades and subjects. So this way, like the cost will not be too much.
How to create this one?
That's a different, that's a different topic. I mean, simply I will suggest to do the YouTube learning how to use Google Drive, and it will explain you all the things.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to do tiny bit of, like simply go to Google Drive, create a Gmail ID, then go to Google Drive, then create, just like, same way, just like create a folder, grade 3 or grade KZ, and in KZ, just start creating all the chapters and everything, and then just simply give, just like this one, Google Doc. Like colors. See, I mean, you can share directly Google Drive, but if you share directly Google Drive with the students, they will not get the idea of learning, because Google Drive is a simple hard drive. But if you make it like more chapters, more classes, and our idea is like we are integrating everything in one app. So what we supposed to do, like you can use the Google Drive for the storage, so you don't have to pay too much cost. Otherwise cost will go up to 1 lakh. You can simply think like, because if you use Reliance Jio data card for 1 day, they charge 500 rupees per month. Exactly same thing like with us. If you upload a video, or if you upload just one image, an image size is 5 megabyte, and if it accessed by 50 students, and if they accessed the same audio, video, something, like it will go 1 gigabyte just in few days, just in 2 days for 50 students. So the idea is I can create one video and I will share with you. See, get link, copy link. You need to do something like this. Anyone with this link, copy link, done, and then go to here, this one, learning material, colors, edit, okay, add resource, link, colors, doc, okay, that's it, done. Okay, so again after this, colors, I'm not sure, okay, which class I have assigned, yeah, KG.
So this Google Drive is like particularly to share documents, right? We can't share videos and all through this. For that, we have to use YouTube only.
Exactly. That's
so. Actually, sir. So our main concern was we wanted to upload directly that PPT presentation through this app there itself, but we were not able to do that.
A PPT also you can do. You just create a Google slide in Google Drive and share the link.
Okay. So Google slide.
Yeah. Just instead of PowerPoint presentation, you have to create Google Slides. So in Google Drive we have slides, or you can simply do the presentation thing, but like it will not open as a link. You can simply open as a link also, but see this one, understanding colors, and this is the Google Doc. See, can you see? So exactly same thing. Your PowerPoint presentation will come here. I'm logged in as a Prashant, so everything will be coming here. But if I open the same thing, then it will not come like this, because if we do share and then do
so if we will share, they like parents, they can see like PPT only, they will not see it is as like a video, because we were we were making it, we were converting it in like
MP4.
Yeah, MP4. So after converting in MP4, we want to upload like that only.
Yeah. Then simply go to the YouTube and create a YouTube channel, and the
Exactly.
video.
That we are already doing. So directly, I mean, that video we can't upload, right?
Yeah. You can't upload. If you, I mean, you can upload, but the cost will be too much for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you upload videos in your YouTube, like you don't have to share with anyone. How?
That
Simply,
private settings. Yeah.
yeah, just go to the videos. Like, see, I have all the videos here. So let me show you how. This is my YouTube studio. So I clicked here. My internet is slow today.
So actually, one more question. When we will open the YouTube in phone, once we uploaded our videos, we are not able to see that copy link option if we are opening that YouTube from our phone. In laptop, we can see, like we can copy the link and immediately.
Yeah. You have to log in, because in mobile you are seeing as a viewer. So you have to go here, like this one, YouTube Studio. Switch account and then go to YouTube Studio here. Okay. See this one. So now go to the videos. So all the videos that you have created here, and let me do this one. I click the video, and what you have to do, can you see this one? Yeah, can you see this in the right hand side is saying visibility?
Yes.
Okay, so click here, and instead of public and instead of private, do unlisted. And unlisted, the video will be displayed to the user that you are sharing as a link. So no one will see, no other users will be able to see that video on YouTube, because that's not you on YouTube. So this will be displayed only to the users which you are sharing the link.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Like I'm sharing the link to the parents, YouTube link.
Okay.
Then if that parent want to send some others, their friends or something, so they can to view our recordings and all.
Exactly, that can happen. That can happen. This is the reason, like what we are suggesting you, that you create all the chapters here, and once you create the chapters, and everything will be displayed here. So here we can, here we can do some kind of settings or something that they will not be able to do so much of. I mean, in case if they want to share, they will be able to share. You can't stop them too much, because video is still on YouTube. But definitely,
how to do that setting?
First of all, what we will do, that we are going to stop like clicking on right click, those kind of things, and you can simply do a you can simply do a copyright text that display to the parents. So parents will be they can simply share the link, but they get the idea that okay, sharing is not ethical, something like this. So definitely it will bring down the sharing. So there is nothing much you can do technically. We are going to do something, because you will not be able to copy paste. You will not be able to do those things like view source. You will not be able to copy like this. But definitely there are tons of things they can do. But definitely there are tons of things that you can stop. And there are a few things that we are going to do in future, nearby future, like this one, like this Word document. There is no way they can share this document, because there is no option. See this document? There is no option, nothing.
So anyway, yeah, if we keep our videos private also, they can share further, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Private will not be embedded. Unlisted here. You have to do unlisted, this one.
Right. Private means we have to add our mail ID, then only they can see, no sir?
Yeah, they log in with the mail ID, but I think that will be very tough to manage, because there are so many parents, they have to log in with Gmail ID or something, and that you have to buy as a Google Suite, that you have to pay a lot.
Okay.
So we have to do the unlisted.
Yeah. Simply do unlisted, and it will restrict like 90% of users. So if like 90% is done, so you have the solution. Like whatever you do, like there is always some kind of sharing, some kind of content copy paste. So that is always there.
Okay.
And if you are sharing all the content on Word document here, so that is a safe, like no one can do anything. But definitely if someone can take the print screen, but what they are going to do with so much of print screen, it's too much work for them. Okay, makes sense.
Clear, teachers? Or still doubt
Yes,
is
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I mean you have to practice, like I will share this video and then simply just watch the video and just practice. Now the second thing is homework classwork. I think there is not too much explanation that we have to do in homework. It's very simple. Go to academic and go to homework. I think I clicked on something else. Yeah, go to homework and assign homework to the students here. Yeah, create homework, select the class, select the subject, assign with all the classes. Homework date is this much, submission date is this much. Assign to the class, homework type is summer, winter, whatever, just write all the things. Subtitle, in case if you want to share a YouTube link here, like this one. Just do like this, YouTube, okay, done. If you have any link, then do the link. And if you have any text, do the text, just write any. If you have any document, just do browse and do this one, save. That's it, done. And this homework will be displayed to the parents for these classes. Okay, so this was the homework.
So, sir, after we assign the homework, how teacher can know whether if any doubt is there, how we can communicate with the parent?
You have to using the chat module of our phone app. Okay. Okay, I will share a complete audio and complete video articles. See this one. This is the app,
Okay.
and you are the teacher. So I'm going to log in as a teacher demo one. Okay. So this teacher has 2 classes assigned. So this teacher is the teach menu that you can use this teach menu. Exactly same thing here. You have all your students here. Very simple. So this teacher has only 1 class assigned. So this is my class. Simply click on chat. Okay. See, this is the list of students. This is the list of students. Okay. Okay. In the chat here is do like this. This is the staffs that you are working with. Then attendance. That's how you're going to take attendance. You need to be the class teacher. Notice school admin can do. Broadcast school admin can do. Chat. This is the chat. So coming back to your question, how many classes you have assigned? 2 classes. Okay. So click on classes. How many classes I can see here? Because I'm teaching in only 1 class. So definitely I will see only 1 class. Okay. Then click on this class. Okay. Here. Now you are able to communicate with complete whole class. Okay. Parents will answer you here. And in case if you want to communicate with only 1 student, then what you have to do, like this. Go to 8 students. Something like happened, seems like. Okay, here is slow. See, this is the list of a student, and you want to communicate, you want to do message only with Mohit. So click on Mohit, and it's asking you, you are going to enter into private chat with parent. Your chat can be monitored by the principal and the admins. Are you sure to proceed? Okay. Now you can chat only with this Mohit. That's it. Hi, Mohit. but still this chat will be accessible to the admin and principal. So private chat will come here. Remember, we did private chat just here. So Mohit is the private chat guy. Okay. Any question in this one?
No,
My
sir.
question is, we are posting the homework for the whole class. So as a parent, suppose you are uploading the homework to me. So where I can see that option, how can I find that?
The teachers, parents, they have the homework. They will be able to see the homeworks here, just like this. In the school academics, they will be able to see these two menus, homework, classwork. And when they click in the homework, they will see the homework here, like this.
Okay. So after they finish the homework, they have to send us back for correction.
We do not have feature. We do not have this feature now because I mean, we supposed to do this feature. They will update the status of homework like done, not done, in progress. But I think that will take 10 days from now on.
So only we can assign, that's it.
Yeah,
The
you can
parent.
assign and you can see.
So, actually, they can take the screenshot or something and they can send it through that chat box where we used to. We
For
will
now, we
contact them.
have option of sending through the email, like because see, everything comes to the cost. Like schools are not ready to pay the cost, and we can't do without taking money because we don't have the infrastructure. I mean, you have to understand, like we are trying to provide as much as solution in the low price. So for now, what we have done, that who has the email ID and teachers who has created the homework, we display the email ID of that teacher, and students can submit the homework in email. You can do exactly in our system, but that will bring like your money, because your 50 students will start submitting homeworks, then the server size, by bandwidth, everything will be increased. I hope you understand, because see,
Yes.
we had the complete ERP and we have more than 200 features, but in this lockdown the situation has changed. What happened? The complete system and all 50,000 students have started using phone app, and our server was, like we are paying like 20,000 for one server. We have more than 3 or 4 servers, I guess. We are paying 1,000 for one. Now we are paying like 50-60,000 for one server. So how, there is no way we can afford. I mean, like we schools are not giving money. Our infrastructure cost has increased like 4 times. There are so many problems. We are not getting so many new clients. So we are giving solution to the school. That's something that can be done. So use Google Drive, send the email, send the homework on your email, send the homework on your WhatsApp. So use whatever you can use. If you want to buy the complete solution, I can give you, but that will cost you money.
Okay.
Hi, Prashant, this is Prasad here.
Yeah.
See, like, let us think, just to, if you're sending any homework, any acknowledgement kind, whether they've done, not done, any kind of option. I don't know the data. Just a survey kind of yes or no.
You are very right. I mean, see, I mean, we started this project, but we are on hold for some time because of something. But you are very right. I can get you this feature in 10 days. Let me take the note down. Yeah.
And one more thing.
Yeah.
See, now the chat, whatever has happened in mobile app, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, think I'm a parent now. So I'll be like using the app in my phone, and I have initiated the chat. But teachers, what happens? They'll not be using the app. They'll be using the app in the system, not the phone app. So how that reflect in the app which they're using, application which are using in the computer?
So you are saying that teachers will not be able to use the phone app or something like this?
Yeah, because see, when they're working over the school, they'll be using in the app in the system itself, not over the phone. When they're outside the school, they might use the app. You're right. So once they're logging inside the school, so they'll be logging in the computer.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, how can they revert back to the parent, or how can they view the what the chat is happened or sent by the parent?
Okay. Understood. For now, we do not have chat feature in our web. We are thinking of bringing chat feature, but chat feature is very expensive thing. Like in terms of, it's a very technical thing. This is the reason there are very few companies who provides the chat feature. But I will not promise you the dates, because for homework status I can promise you the dates like 10 days something. But chat feature on web, I have to see like when it can be done. I can discuss with team, and we'll
Okay.
supposed to discuss in this team. But I took the note, and I will ask team that how long this can be done and how much we are capable of doing this. Because
Okay.
chat feature is a completely different technology. These are the new things. These are the big things that takes different technology, different expertise.
Okay.
Yeah, but definitely I took the note, and I will ask team.
Please. Continue.
Yeah. So I think most of the things are done. And what I can do, like I can give you the tutorials, and I will create tutorials for homework classwork. As of now, the tutorials are in Hindi, but we will make in English in a 1 week. But I think the idea is very simple. Whatever I have explained you now, you can simply start doing like this one without any problem. This one, number one. And I will suggest you to do the online exam also. Very tiny question, like create a question something like this. Orange, what is color of orange? What is color of orange? Like this, okay? And create questions something like this, and ask question, assign these kind of questions for parents. It's kind of like worksheet. Because whatever questions you are making, we have an idea in future that we will make for kindergarten. We will make this exam very nice, very pretty looking. So whatever content you are making, it will be used in a very nice way in future. So create all the questions here. Multiple choice. What's the color of orange? Red, blue, and ask parents to guide students to give the answers. So it's kind of a like worksheet. So I think like if you start creating questions, that would be also very helpful for the students. And these questions will be asked in a very nice fun way. Like we will make something very nice. Like as of now, see this one. This assessments. This is a very much like professional, like university exam or grade 7, grade 8. But for kindergarten, we are going to make this same exams in a very fun way.
Prashant, in this can we like attach any kind of Excel sheet or the Word pad so that they can just download and do it, or anything that such kind? Because we are typing over here. Instead of typing, any worksheet can be attached directly as an exam. Can this be done?
Yeah. So you do mean like in this learning content, right? In this chapter?
No, for the examination, whatever you attached.
Okay. For exam one.
Yeah.
Exam, like attachment will be difficult, because what you can do, you can import all the questions. You can create all the question in one chart in Excel sheet, and then you can simply import. Because attaching that will not make much sense, especially because we have the experience of this thing. Attaching document in exam, that would be tough. But definitely you can attach YouTube also. So something like this.
No, see, this is like this is for the older kids. Whatever the concept lesson is very right. For the kindergarten kind, so parents' involvement should be there. See, if it is like a worksheet, and LKG or UKG kids, they are capable of doing it on their own. So what we are trying to do this, parents' involvement has to be there in this. So
right.
That's why I just wanted to check whether any worksheet can be uploaded so that they can do themselves.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So you can attach that thing as a here. Like you don't have to come to exam, because see, exams are more like MCQs. So if you want to simply generate a worksheet, then simply go here and simply do this like add resource, and simply do this like worksheet. you can upload the document, or you can just give the link of Google Drive. Does it make sense?
So where did you go? Can you just repeat this?
I think maybe you have missed this thing. I explained this thing in the beginning.
Okay,
So you
okay,
have
then
all,
not.
yeah. So these are the chapters. So these are the chapters, and in this chapter, you can include learning materials. And in this learning material, whatever you write, whatever the topics, whatever the content, and then you can add resources like link, any link, Google Drive link, or YouTube link, or worksheet. So it's an idea that it's a worksheet, but you can upload any document.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Or you can upload any like audio also. Just do like, see, it's the idea. Online teaching is an idea. So just do like this. REC or record. Okay, this one. You can ask a question from students also like this one. So this is the question, whatever question, and then simply do like this. Let me see if it works, because it has some defects. Okay, I'm not sure like if it's in a, yeah, you can do this something like this, but I have to see like if it's working now, because it has it had some issues. But okay, coming back to your voice recording thing, so simply go to online voice recording, do record, and then done, stop, then simply download, and then attach this video here. That's it, done. Here, what was the MP3? This MP3. That's it. Audio, go to audio, and then just do this one. See, the idea is just to create everything. Oh, okay. Okay. Something on. Okay. This is in development mode, so I have to see like what's. Because this is I'm showing you everything from the development server. So simply just do the resource type as audio, type, and upload the video. Very simple. And they will be able to hear your voice, and it's all done. Like students will be able to just relate the idea, relate the concept, relate the learning material with the teacher. So did I answer your question?
Yeah, I got it, Mr. Prashant.
Okay.
Thank you.
And this one is for like MCQs. Like it's more like when you have a defined questions, like true, false, multiple choices, descriptive. And again, this question will be very much fun as per the kindergarten, but that will take some time. But the whole thing, you can share whatever you want to share. Like it's very simple and very nice. And you can do like in regional language also, like Kannada something, because if you are going to teach the literature, you can do Hindi, English, everything. I think we have covered all the questions. So any other question or any other thing?
Teachers, are you having any doubt?
Sir, in the mobile app, we have one column, school academics. In that, syllabus is there.
Yeah.
So if I'm trying to add syllabus, it is telling something went wrong, no data found. So this teacher should add. If we want to add, there is no option like add.
Okay. For this, like you have to add from the, like to add the syllabus, we have given options to that our school admin.
Okay.
Like, yeah, so you can do from here, academic, then go to academic, and go to syllabus. And if you, like if someone can give me the points that we have discussed, so I will just write down all the things, and I will send you the details. Can you see the syllabus here?
Yeah.
So this is the syllabus. Share syllabus with the students.
So this admin can do.
Yeah.
This admin can do.
Right.
Teacher can't do that.
Teacher, I think I have to see. I think I have to
No,
see.
actually, she's not asking from the like the school app. She's asking from the mobile app application, mobile how to, because I was showing some error in while is trying to add the syllabus.
Yes, 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 right. Exactly. I mean, for now, like we have disabled this in phone app.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. For now, we have disabled the phone app.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing, sir, like suppose you're a parent, I am assigning one homework. You have some doubt, you have to communicate with me. So if you communicate with me, any notification will come, because all the time we will not open the app and sit, right? So any
Right.
notification type we will get.
Yeah. Whenever you do the chat, you will get a notification. So for now, just do all the communication in a chat module of phone app.
No, I'm asking, like, if suppose I'm at work, my phone will not be there. So for Gmail and all, we will get pop-up notification.
No,
So
no, no.
like that.
We are not sending any notification on your Gmail because the audience of teacher is a little bit different. And most of the teachers are not using Gmail and they don't have the access of Gmail most of the time. So it's only notification comes on your phone app now.
So only when we open this app, only we will know the notification.
Yeah, yeah, right. All notifications are based on phone app. Because when we send email, that's not the notification. That's more like alert, or that's more like alerts, email alerts. So that we are not doing, because that also is very, very expensive for us. And also the school, they don't need too much, like any other questions?
Teachers do have any kind of queries, any doubts, questions, please ask them.
So PDF also we can attach, like what you said, Google Slides, like that. So how we will attach PDF if we want?
Okay, here, learning material. I'm just writing a rough note to the Jasmeet ji. So at least I will remember what kind of notes I need to send you. So one thing is syllabus, learning material, and then online exam, how to upload worksheet, YouTube channel, Google Drive. So anything is missed, like
And
please
chat
send me
window
that.
on web.
Oh yeah, chat window on web. So that's something that I have to work. I need to work. And homework. These are the few things that I will send you the tutorials as soon as possible. And these are the things that I need to work. But that will take some time. But definitely in 10 days, homework change the status. Change the status. And okay. And other thing is, coming back to your question, you can simply upload all the things from here, PDF, anything. Simply do like document. This will allow you to upload any kind of document. Okay. See, any kind of document. The file size should not exceed more than 15 MB. As of now, we have limited up to 15 MB. And in case if it's more than 15 MB, see, even if you have a Google Doc, even if you have a PDF, I think the best idea is to simply do link and give the whole idea is store everything in Google Doc and compile here. That's the whole idea of this tool. So school, they don't have to pay so much, and the school can categorize everything as a chapter 1, chapter 2, and everything will be in one phone app, and then the assessment will be same place, and whenever you take the exams, that will be also linked with this place. So you can try to store everything on your phone, on your Google Drive. And Google Drive, simply do like this, that school academics, grade 1, then do like, okay, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, something like this. So school academics will be your main folder, then grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. And in grade 1, you can simply do like, okay, subjects, because this will save lots of money in the And in Hindi, you can simply do like, okay, all worksheets. Okay, all worksheets. And in this worksheet, you can write whatever you want to do. Like, see, this is the Google Doc, this is the Google Sheet, this is the Google Slide, and then this is the Google Drawing, whatever you want to make. Okay. Any question? Did I answer your question, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you can also read this thing. I mean, you have to study the whole concept of online teaching and learning. Everything is in English. The video may be in Hindi, but like this one. Simply go to here, solution home. Yeah, see this one, online teaching. So online teaching here is the concept. Zoom concept, start online teaching, everything. I can send you the link now. Okay. Okay, any question? And I will send the video with you, so you don't have to worry. You can simply see our video in YouTube. I just took the notes.
Any
so
other
I sent
doubt,
it.
teachers?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, do you want to ask anything?
Prashad sir, any question?
As of now, like teaching this thing, yeah, I think I'm fine with this. So if anything, when I'm trying to do, if I have any issues, I'll just ping you on WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, sure, no worries. And whenever you want to do publish phone app to the parents, so I think for that we need to do one meeting, right, Jasmeet ji?
For parents?
You are saying that parents orientation that you want to publish.
What we thought was like we'll try to send a small video how to just go through the app, where to log in, and check for the classwork and the homework. That's it, fine. I think
Okay.
that's 1 seconds because each parent will be having their different timings. So some parents will say Saturday I'm free, some parents say other day I'm free. So it will be a big task. If we have one video so that we can share to all the parents.
Yeah, definitely. I will share that link with you by Sunday afternoon something. Is it okay? Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning?
Monday. Okay. Before Monday morning, it will just give. So we'll
Okay, yeah.
go through
Okay.
and we can just mail it to the parents.
Okay, definitely. Definitely. No worries. Okay, so I think.
And Prashant sir, when it is starting that bulk message option will start?
Okay, bulk message. I think it's a new link. So please register whatever it's giving here. If you log in as a school admin, you will be able to see a new link from Geo. So Geo is very fast. see this one. This is the new link to the register DLT. So simply go here and do all the processes, whatever we have suggested here. So this is very fast. It can be done in like just in 20 minutes. Like unlike video or BSNL, this is very fast. You can do register here very, very quickly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I will send you the tutorials and this video also. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Prashad sir. Thanks, Jasmeet ji. Thanks, all teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.